Was there any
Pull your shirt off your pants. Pull your shirt up. Oh, they just locked the door, don't you?
Okay. For those of you who have not come to one of our awards before, we do it a little bit differently in kindergarten. Next year, you guys will go to the cafeteria and you'll get to sit with all the first graders and go through kindergarten because they're still a little edgy at the end of the day. We keep them in here and just do our own little thing. So what we do is we have, or at least in our classroom, the kids really like to celebrate with you. They love that good year. So we just have you guys kind of horseshoe, and once I call their name, they're going to come through, they're going to run through, they're going to slap all of your hands, and then they'll come back and sit down. When they come around to the end, I will stop them and let you take a picture with their award, and then they'll sit down, and at the very end, I'll call them one by one to bring their award to you so that you can take them home so they won't get ruined. So you'll have those for keepsakes. So thank you for coming. This is our very last kindergarten award ceremony. After this, you guys will be first graders. All right. Are you guys ready? No. Okay. All right. Ready? Here's our first award, Alexis Stubb. It's a girl high five.
You gotta hit that one when Kevin comes up, okay?
Sienna Williams.
Yay!
Sienna. We'll hold, I'll hold it till Kevin comes up. High five to everybody, okay?
Okay, girl.
They won't appreciate it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I have to wait. Lorenzo Bragg.
Yay! He missed like half.
He's in a hurry to get it.
He's in a hurry.
All right, ready?
He was in
Emily
there.
Lucky.
Hi, Emily.
She gotta make sure she get everybody.
Picture for mom. Donovan Grant.
Send it on your iPod, please, Mom, today.
Wait, come in. Stand
Yeah, I'm afraid to go.
Give me your water, give me your water.
Lorenzo. Jonathan Good. Hold it over. There you go. Noah Howell.
Put a spot all over our hands when they go on.
Wait, picture. Go stand up.
No, we're your mom. Your mom got a big old phone. I like
Watch my
I love the way. I love the way
Miss Skevington,
Yes, ma'am.
I need Jabari for dismissal.
He's just about to get his award. Can you send Mom down?
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll just go and wait.
We'll wait till Mom gets here, okay? All right, here we go. Lawrence Morton.
That poor guy's getting
Good job, Mom. Good job.
All right, come on.
Where did you get his glasses from?
Limbs crafters in the
They
mall.
stay up on his face.
Yeah, they do great.
I constantly coming down.
Oh,
I want to get them adjusted, but they still fine. I think they need adjusted again.
It squeezes their nose and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Ready? And Santana. I'm waiting. Sean Widow.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
On the camera. There, so she can get a picture. Hold it below your chin. There you go. Good job. Kevin Thompson.
Hold your hand out, woman.
Kevin, easy. Kevin.
Just go fast, Kevin.
Good
All the way
job.
through easy.
Bite to him.
Turn around, baby.
That's all I want. Come here. Kevin, scoot up.
Kevin.
I'm so sorry, y'all.
Go. Oh, they got him wearing. Silly boy. What? You were turning around.
It's okay.
Look, Mama got it. It's okay. We'll give it to her. Look at Mommy got it. Come here. Hold on.
Jaden Harris.
Look, give Jaden that time. Hold your hand out so you can get He's like, what? She's in Miss Duffler's classroom. They're all crying in there. Everyone in Miss Duffler's classroom. Mine. Because Kaden didn't get one, and somebody else didn't get one, because Caden's crying, this kid's crying.
That's why she was crying.
Oh, she's gonna give the baby 5.
I love the way Alexis is sitting, and I love the way
I'm gonna miss that award.
Lily Ford. Squeeze him right there so he can get you. Are you ready? Okay. All right. Here we go. Ready? Jabari Johnson. Gentle. Don't beat him up.
It's fine. It's fine.
I'm taking the stuff anyways. You're going home with me. And Grandma and AJ. You got chocolate all over your face. What'd y'all eat for snack? Yeah, you had Oreos, didn't you?
I would like you to take your award. Boys and girls, we need to give your moms and dads a big round of applause for saying that it's That's okay. You know what? When you get home, you can clap for mom.
You got to word out.
Messes it up.
We know Kevin.
No, everybody's happy. Sit with me because the other people.
Oh, yeah.
Miss Popular.
Well, y'all say we're going to
Kevin.
Come on.
Sit. Oh, you only let me do your
Borrow this real quick, okay? Do you want him to run around again or just? We had a latecomer and a little sister that wants to see an award. This is the only award she's been able to come to, so we're gonna let her have high five her.
Aww.
Come on, honey. All right, are you ready? Okay, here we go. Jonathan, good.
Good job.
Okay. Parents, thank you so much for coming. Thank you for all of your support this year. Oh, it's my turn. You need to wait a second. Thank you guys for coming and for all of your support this year. You guys have been amazing. Thank you for letting me be a part of your family this year. Boys and girls. Jonathan. Shaden. She already gave it to her mom.
Oh,
I ate it. Wait, please. Anyway, it has been my pleasure and my honor to have your kids. And
you're so sexy.
this is the only time I get to be emotional. I'm so proud of them. They have done an amazing job. And I will miss them so much next year. So let's give them a round of applause. Yeah. I know. Come on, miss you guys.
Sit down.
How were you mad? Were you sad because she was crying?
Jaden, remember, boys and girls, after you give your award, you need to go sit down so that you can have your cupcake.
You have to punch him in the face. Yeah, he's about to get punched in the face.
I think she called him first because he was quiet.
Oh, You'll see Sienna at baseball. Go ask Sienna's mom if they have baseball tonight. Or tomorrow.
Wendy, tonight or tomorrow if they have baseball. See if they have a game tonight or tomorrow because we're going to be at the field tonight and tomorrow.
Sienna's mom?
Yeah, Sienna's mom.
She's going this way.
No, she's going right there.
Good job.
Oh, I love you, Mommy.
I love you too. Love you.